Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jason. You can call me Coach J, and I help people to really take use of their time and space to get as much focus that they need to accomplish hard work. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 19th strategy in the guidebook that I've created for you guys, and it's completely free. You can check it out in the description link below. I highly recommend you check that out first before you watch any of my videos so that you take as much information and value from that. And if you have any further questions or you want to dive deeper into each strategy, this video will hopefully explain that. If not, you can also directly message me or leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Time your activities right. So with my other video that I've released with the ergonomics, improving your ergonomics, right? Your body has a physical need, and continuing on with that, it has a natural cycle, an energy cycle that it goes throughout the day. You have probably seen this when you're finished with work and you're about to go home. You're more tired than when you were in the morning, when you had a bunch of energy right after getting out of bed. Well, that is the natural energy cycle that God has created for us, and that is the one that we will be using to reference this strategy. Like I said, there is a high to low energy cycle that our body goes through. So by knowing what to do at different times of the day will help to utilize and to take advantage of our body's natural cycle. The one example that I have here that is clearly seen is a fitness example. I've actually but I've referenced this in my guidebook. It's a fitness chart that shows the natural cycle of the body and the optimal times to do different activities. I'm going to leave a link down below for you to check that out, but it's also in my guidebook. So what do you do with this information? Well, you have to first start with scheduling your day with the hardest tasks first. This is because you have the most amount of energy in the day, and your body naturally depletes this energy as the day progresses. So if you have some menial, like small tasks that to do for the day, try to push it back and to save and to block the time that you need for the most important tasks in the morning. And that can be anything from closing sales, studying for tests or something if you're a student, something like that. So it's just using self-awareness to figure out what is most important to you, prioritizing first, and then scheduling those blocks according to the energy levels that you will have throughout the day. So what does that look like? So first of all, we're making use of the body so that we're not going against it, we're using it. That way there's not going to be as much resistance and friction. By understanding and knowing this, is literally like 80% of it. Once you understand this and you just put these things into action, right? Putting those calendar events, blocking the time out for those events, and batching similar activities like I've mentioned in the previous videos, you're basically saving yourself so much time and energy by doing the right things at the right time. Also, this is a guideline to help you structure today, but it's not like a rule or a law. So I highly recommend that I encourage you to use a bit of self-awareness. Take this with a grain of salt. You might have more energy later in the day. For those of you who do, I encourage you to still stick to these tasks that are most important for that time of the day, and just be creative with it and see what works best for you. So, like I said, utilize self-awareness, be a little bit more observant with how much energy you have throughout the day, and try to be on a consistent schedule so that you know what factors have been impacting the energy levels throughout your day. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button to see more videos like this. I'm going to be releasing a video per strategy in the guidebook that you can check out down below. It's completely free. It has all the values that you need. But like I said, if you want to learn more, these are the videos that you can watch. So I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.